Okay guys, let us do this interpenetration into engineering drawing interpenetration. So it's paying how much? 13 marks, you understand? 13 marks, which means you can get about 9 if not 13, but get anything above 9 marks. Okay, the question, let's see how do we go about it. Figure 2 shows 2 views of a forked at without the interpenetration line. So this is the forked end. This is the forked end. So redraw the redraw. You see on the previous question they were like do not redraw. Why? Because it was isometric, isn't it? But on this one is interpenetration. They're saying redraw the views in first angle orthographic projection to a scale 1:2. 1:2. You must know what is the meaning of 1:2. This, what is the name of that scale? It's a reduction scale, which means we are going to divide every dimension with 2 millimeter, isn't it? And show the following views. So we must draw the interpenetration curve of the front view. So show all the constructional lines used to draw 3.1. Okay, so the very first thing that you have to draw, draw these 2 given views, like as they've told you that redraw the given views. Okay, start with the horizontal line, start with the horizontal center line. This one, it can even start up because it will be there even on your on your front view. So this one is diameter 32. This is 32. Like this. Then from there, from here till here, I've almost forgot 32, not 35, 32 divided by 2, which means it's diameter 16. You understand? It's diameter 16, not 32. Almost forgot. Remember the reduction scale. Again, then from there I am going to say 38 divided by 4 because of the center. Remember, divide by 4 because of the center. Simplify it is 9.5. Between 9 and 10. So I come mark here, mark here, and mark here. It's this one, not the bottom one. Draw horizontal, draw horizontal. Why it seems to be like we are drawing something small? Because of the what? Of the scale, which they said we must draw according to. Because of the scale which they said we must draw according to. Then after that, it seems like we don't know the dimension from here till here. From here till here, for now, leave it. Then from here going up, I can measure 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter. We always space our views with 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter. Then I can take up the circumferences of this cycle, the hidden detail one. So you see ukuthi from here till here we are not given dimension. So this it's a shaft. So this symbolizes a shaft that it was cutted, it was still continuing actually. You understand? So it's a shaft. There we go. Then from here can go up, decide to start here. So from here I can, this point I can say is this one. You understand? From there so we are told ukuthi from this point there is an angle of 45. Draw it. Angle 45 degrees. We are still drawing the given view. Like this. And you understand? And then from here going up is 102 millimeter. So 102 divided by 2. So it's 51 millimeter. 51. Let's see here. 51. Then the 51 is giving you the what? The horizontal center line, isn't it? Giving you the horizontal center line. This. Once you are there, you can deal with the what, with this 64. So I can simply say 64 divided by 4 because of the center, isn't it? You only use the 4 if you are going to use the divide. You understand? So 16, there is my 16. Come here, mark here, and mark there. Then I can construct them like this. Are these ones, you understand? Then from there where your 102 ends to go back, we are having dimension of what? Of 29. You understand? So 29. So can you say 29 divided by 2 because of the scale, isn't it? It's 14.5. You go back with 14.5. There is my 15. 14.5 is right there. So get that. That's where you're supposed to place your compass. You understand? That's where you're supposed to place your compass to get this radius 32. So 32 divided by 2. How much are you getting? 16 millimeter. Open your compass to 16 millimeter, which is this one. Then let me have this one. Have it faint, constructional line faint like this. so that I'll know where do I have to stop. And I can draw it dark. Stop here and stop here. You understand? So this arc is which one? Is this one. You understand? So I can go up with armature with 58 divided by 2. So I can simply say 58 divided by 4, because I am going to use my my drawing compass. So it's 14.5 between 14 and 15. You understand? So I can mark there and mark here. It's a little bit below. Have this one faint. Have this one faint. $25 divided by 2, 12.5. Come here. 10, 11, 12.5. Go down till here, 32 divided by 4, that's 8 millimeter. Pin it to 8 millimeter, not 8.5 but 8. This is 8 millimeter. I mark here and I mark here, and from there get this here hidden detail. Two lines, which are these ones, isn't it? Okay, after there, where should we go? Let us go this to radius 6 millimeter. Radius 6 millimeter. So which means it's going to be radius 3 millimeter. One, two, three. Why? Because 3 is the what? Is the half of 6, isn't it? Like that. Get it faint. Where is 6? Is this one? And like this we go. Then after that we are going to have a what to call a radius of 6 or a radius of 22 millimeter. Before that, it would be an advantage for us to start with a radius of 36 millimeter. You understand? So 36 divided by 2, 18 millimeter. This is 18, 19, 20. This is 18. 18 millimeter. So I can go back a little bit. Yes. So at the moment I am going to draw it faint at the moment, and this side again, draw it faint at the moment. So now they are saying this one is radius 22 divided by 2 is 11. There is my 11 millimeter. So which means go back a little bit. This one I can draw it dark. This large pencil, the lids like they are finished. Yes, this one I can draw it dark, you understand, so that I come back here and have this one like this, you understand. So take this point so that things are fast and quick for me. This one, this is the point that I took, and come and place it this side, and what I did on the other side, I'm now doing it on this side. I can have it dark as well, you understand. So now I can come back here to draw this one to make it solid now. Draw it solid like this. So which means so far it has took us about 20 minutes drawing the given view, you understand. But the top view is not complete, so let's complete the top view. Complete your top view, all of them that are behaving how? Vertical. So now without fear or favor, we know which this one is going to be solid here, which is this one, and again solid here, you understand, solid like this, and till here. Okay, that one coming like this. Try. Alright, I can decide to name right from, remember we are going to use our top view to get the line of penetration that they're talking about. So this is R, A, this is point A to get B. Place your compass at point R, further extend it to A, isn't it? Then strike an arc like this. Once it touch your horizontal center line, this is your B, you understand. Then construct it up. Once it touch this arc of yours, it becomes point C. This is our point C. All together. Then construct it horizontally. Once it touch this one, stand for it's your point L, stand for the lowest point, which means we are not going to have any point below this point. So all our points, they must start from this point, from here going up. You understand? You understand? So on the other one, we normally used to have the highest point H, but on this one we are having L, stand for the lowest point. Remember, we started from point R, stand for the reference of all the points. You understand? And then from here till here, which is the outer part of your top view, which is point A, then you strike an arc like this, which means you can even show with an arrow ukuthi you are going like this. You can show with an arrow ukuthi you are going up now. So this is A, B, C and L. You understand? So now from there we are going to have 3 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 3 millimeter. You understand? Away from point B, you measure 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Like this. So I can say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You understand? So now I take this point up like this, point 1, then point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, point 6, 7 is already out. You understand? So this is point 1, 2, no, this is 1, isn't it? Then this is 2, then this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. You understand? Once they touch there, you know they become horizontal. They will be horizontal like this. Let them go horizontal like this. Then from there, place your compass at point R there by your top view. Remember how to do got point A. How to do got point B. Like this, isn't it? Now further extend to point 1. Strike the arc that will behave like this, and point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, point 6, actually 6 and 7, they are out. So this is point 1 here, this is point 2 here, 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7. They must go up. They must go up. Point 1 is this one. Must collide with what? With point 1 of these ones, that are going horizontal. So point 1 is this one, isn't it? There it goes from here, goes up. So it must give me a point with what? With these ones that are going how? These ones that are going horizontal. A1. Then point 2, this is it from there, goes up. It must give me point a point collide with these ones that are going horizontal. So this is 1, this is 2. Point 3 from here goes up from here, construct it. It must collide with point 3. Which one? It go from here. This is 3, which means this is point 3. Point 4, there it goes, is this one. Construct it. Must give me point, which is this one. Then point 5 is this one. Construct it. Must give me a what? A point. There is point 5. Here one. So that's how we are getting these points. Let's see, is it point 6 coming? Point 6, this one. Point 6 is this one, isn't it? There it goes from there horizontal. So from here comes here. Point 6 is this one. Then point 7 is already there. You understand? So which means now I can have an arc that will behave like this. Get a flex curve like this, and through to point L. You understand? So exactly what you got here, you'll be getting it this side. Now you can make use of point L, placing your compass here, further extend to point L, you strike an arc, you transpose them like this, or you take them from here going up. It's still running the same thing. So let's take them here right from our top view. So there is point 1 there from here, which means it's this one, which is corresponding with this one, isn't it? Point 2, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Point 2, this one. Point 3, this one. Point 4, that one. 5, this one. 6, this one. So now there you go, like this you go. So this is going to be the curve of your interpenetration, but in the final examination, if it happens under the topic of interpenetration, so you get this, I will advise a student to end with this question, because it's going to take time. It's taking time. You understand? You can just draw the given views and go to the next question, and then later when you have time, you come and complete it. You understand? You see? So if they're saying draw the interpenetration curve in the front view, so they are talking about something of this nature. You understand? So they didn't say draw the left view. They didn't say draw the left view, because this is the front, this is the top. So your left view was going to be somewhere here. Yeah, you understand? You are going to have a line that is like this. You understand? Then from there you take all the lines right from your top view. Once they touch here, they go up, isn't it? They go up like this, like this. So if this center, it will be there. So which means your left view was going to start from here till here, you understand? So but then here the question didn't say draw the left view, which means you are going to submit your work like this. So thank you very much. That was Mr. Nkosi. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe on the channel so that more videos will be uploaded, you understand? Like the video and comment. Please subscribe and share the channel link to your colleagues or your classmate. So thank you very much. That was Mr. Nkosi. See you on the next video. Stay blessed. Okay.